Welcome back, everybody. I've got a quick gardening tip for you today. This one is so easy to implement and overlooked oftentimes, so I just want to put this out there. It has to do with keeping a bird bath out in your garden. So the main purpose of this is going to be to actually save your crops, believe it or not. A lot of folks know exactly what I'm talking about. You go through all the effort of planting different fruit trees and vegetable crops just to get pecked at by the birds. It drives people crazy. It even causes some gardeners to give up. Well, over the years, what I've learned is by keeping a bird bath and keeping it full with fresh, cool water each day, especially in the summertime, you're giving the birds a place not just to bathe, but to actually get a drink of water, which oftentimes is the reason they're pecking into your fruits and vegetables in the first place, is because they're thirsty. They need hydration. So, if you don't yet have a bird bath in your garden, give this tip a try. You'll be surprised at the results, I'm sure. A lot of folks think, well, I don't want to attract birds into my garden. Well, they're coming in regardless of whether you have a bird bath or not. So might as well give them a place to wash off and get a nice cool drink. And you could definitely automate a system so if you don't have time to get out here every day, so that it's self-refilling. There's little solar powered fountains as well that you can put in if you've got a larger vessel. You just want to make sure that there's enough room for them to kind of perch safely on an edge and get to the water. So I invested in this concrete bird bath a few years back, and I'm happy I did. It looks great. But for years, I just had an old satellite dish that I use. You can make a bird bath out of just about anything. And so with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Have yourself a great rest of the day. If you enjoyed this video, you got something out of this tip, be sure to hit that like button. Shoot me a comment below. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. New uploads coming out every week, sometimes every day. And I'm always giving you updates on all the different things growing on around here. So with that, have yourself a good one. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.